In front of me is ZTE Blade v2020, and let me show you how to change date and time on this phone. So at first, just reach the settings, then find and select system. Here click on date and time, and you can smoothly activate it. Actually change it by deactivating the automatic date and time, and now smoothly pick date and time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on it's up to you what the date and time it currently is. You can also switch off automatic time zone, and now you can select a region and also a time zone from the following list. So just pick the region and then time zone if available. And also you can change time format here, so you can use local default or use 24 or 12-hour format clock. It's up to you. Whenever you'd like to go back to automatic setup of everything, just mark network provided time zone, and also local default time format. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.